I'm Poppy. Today we will discuss about the names of different vegetables. Part 2. Let's learn the names of different kinds of vegetables and also find out how those vegetables are good for our health. Come on, let's start. Beetroot. Beetroot. Beetroot helps improve blood health and stamina. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower provides fiber that helps digestion work smoothly. Cabbage. Cabbage. Full of nutrients, cabbage supports a healthy stomach. Radish. Radish. Radishes are good for digestion and keeping the liver healthy. Turnip. Turnip. Turnips are rich in vitamins and fiber that help strengthen immunity and digestion. Green beans. Green beans. Green beans provide vitamins that support growth and strong bones. Corn. Corn. Corn provides energy and fiber for active and growing kids. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd helps control blood sugar and improve digestion. Eggplant. Eggplant. Eggplants contain antioxidants that help protect the body and support heart health. Okra. Okra. Rich in fiber, okra helps keep the stomach healthy. Onion. Onion. Onions contain compounds that help protect the body from infections. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of vegetables. And for more such fun videos and more videos in our Vegetables and Fruits series, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.